Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're blasting off into the future to explore some mind-blowing gadgets that are just around the corner. Get ready to be amazed, because these tech gizmos are about to change the game. Now, the future of tech is always exciting, but sometimes it's hard to separate fact from fiction. So we'll be focusing on gadgets that have a real chance of hitting the market soon, not just stuff out of a science fiction movies. We'll be diving into categories like wearable tech, smart home devices, and even some next-level entertainment systems. So buckle up and get ready for a glimpse into tomorrow's tech. Wearable tech revolution. Let's start with wearables. These aren't just your average fitness trackers anymore. We're talking about devices that can do everything from monitoring your health in real time to translating languages on the fly. Imagine a smartwatch that can track your blood sugar levels or even your stress levels. These advanced wearables can give you valuable insights into your health and well-being, helping you live a healthier life. And for the globetrotters out there are wearable translation devices that can translate conversations in real time. No more language barriers. Just imagine having a seamless conversation with someone who speaks a different language. Pretty cool, right? Wearable tech is constantly evolving, and it's becoming more integrated with our daily lives. So keep an eye out for these amazing gadgets in the near future. The rise of the smart home. Now let's talk about smart homes. Imagine a house that practically runs itself. With smart home devices, you can control everything from your lights and thermostat to your appliances and security system, all from your phone or even with your voice. Imagine coming home to a house that's already at the perfect temperature, with the lights on and your favorite music playing. That's the power of a smart home. But smart homes aren't just about convenience. They can also help you save energy and improve security. Imagine lights that automatically turn off when you leave a room, or a smart lock that lets you know who's coming and going from your house. The possibilities for smart homes are endless, and they're becoming more affordable and accessible all the time. So get ready to transform your living space into a tech haven. Entertainment evolved. Next level gaming and beyond. Alright gamers, this is where things get exciting. The future of entertainment is all about immersion and interactivity. We're talking about next-level gaming experiences that will blow your mind. Imagine stepping into a virtual world where you can explore fantastical landscapes and battle mythical creatures. With virtual reality headsets, this is becoming a reality. Virtual reality gaming offers a whole new level of immersion that will completely change the way you play. But virtual reality isn't the only game changer. Augmented reality is also making waves in the entertainment industry. Imagine seeing holographic characters come to life in your living room, or having virtual objects interact with the real world. Augmented reality and virtual reality are not just for gaming though. Imagine attending a concert from the comfort of your couch, or exploring a museum exhibit virtually. The possibilities for entertainment are endless with these immersive technologies. Tech for everyone. Accessibility and inclusivity. Now all this fancy tech is great, but it's important to remember that technology should be for everyone. That's why accessibility and inclusivity are becoming increasingly important in the tech world. Imagine voice-controlled interfaces that make technology accessible to people with disabilities. Or imagine smart glasses that can translate text in real time for people who are visually impaired. Tech companies are developing innovative solutions to make sure everyone can benefit from the latest advancements. This is a positive trend that we need to see more of. The future is now. Responsible innovation. Alright, with all this amazing tech on the horizon, it's important to talk about responsible innovation. Just because we can create something doesn't mean we always should. We need to consider the potential impact of new gadgets on our privacy, security, and even our mental health. For example, with constant connectivity through wearable tech, are we sacrificing precious downtime? It's important to have open discussions about the ethics of new technologies. We need to ensure that tech is used for good, and that it benefits society as a whole. A glimpse beyond. What's next? While we can't predict the future perfectly, there are some exciting possibilities on the horizon. Imagine foldable phones that fit perfectly in your pocket, or self-driving cars that take the stress out of commuting. We might even see advancements in artificial intelligence that lead to even more intelligent assistants and personalized experiences. Imagine a fridge that can automatically order groceries based on your needs, or a workout program that adapts to your fitness level in real time. The future of tech is full of possibilities, and it's up to us to shape it in a positive way. Let's talk tech. Alright, tech fam. That's our glimpse into the future of technology. What gadgets are you most excited about? What kind of future do you hope technology helps us create? Let's discuss in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech explorations. Until next time, keep dreaming big and stay curious about the amazing world of technology.